In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use AI in Canva Docs step by step so you can quickly generate content right inside your design workspace. This is a super useful feature if you want to write captions, outlines, blog ideas, social posts, or quick first drafts without leaving Canva. It's fast, beginner friendly, and a great way to save time when you're creating content. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Canva and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the Canva dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Canva AI. This is where Canva's smart writing tools are located, and it's the easiest place to start if you want AI-generated text inside Canva. After that, select the Doc option. Canva Docs gives you a clean document space where you can type prompts and let the AI help you create written content. Now, in the prompt box, describe exactly what you want Canva to write. For example, you could type, write an Instagram caption for a coffee shop. The more clear and specific your prompt is, the better the result will be. You can also include details like tone, audience, length, or style. For example, you might ask for a friendly caption, a professional paragraph, or a fun social media post. Once you enter your prompt, Canva AI will generate the content for you in just a few seconds. From there, you can review the text, make edits, and adjust it to fit your needs. If the first result isn't exactly what you want, don't worry. You can simply refine your prompt and ask Canva AI to try again with more detail. This is one of the best parts of using AI in Canva Docs because it helps you brainstorm faster and get to a polished draft much more quickly. You can then copy the text into your design, use it in a marketing post, or build on it for other content ideas. So, to recap, open Canva, click Canva AI from the left menu, choose the doc option, and then describe what you want Canva to write. That's the simple workflow for using AI in Canva Docs. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more easy tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.